Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm currently in Chanel. I came to alter my clothes. There are so many people in Takashimaya because the lockdown has been lifted. It's quite crowded. I have to wear a mask and I have my hand sanitizer with me. At all times, I'm using it every 5 minutes before I try a new thing. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. And please also consider to check out my playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about luxury shopping, fashion and style, Chanel bags, jewelry, beauty products, weekly vlogs, and I have posted quite a few travel and Dior videos. I took a few jackets to try on while I'm waiting for my seamstress, and I like this one. I like the buttons. I have seen it before, but it was only available in a size 40 and I wear 34, and this one is actually in a size 36. But it's not too bad. It's just the sleeves are very long. It's a little bit loose, but it seems like the design of this one is meant to be oversized. What do you guys think about it? There are at least 3 this kind of jackets in Chanel at the moment in different colors and patterns, but the same design. I will show you the other one, and one of them I have purchased and unboxed it in my previous video, which I will link down in the description box below. I love this kind of jackets. They are pretty modern and they look just great with jeans and even with trousers. But I think you have to wear this jacket with high-waisted jeans or trousers. And this is a dress that I unboxed in the other video, and my jacket. I'm definitely altering the dress because it's huge. Some of you guys have suggested that I need to alter the jacket too, but I'm gonna wear it for a while to think about it and I will make up my mind. And I'm actually on the hunt for a similar jacket in a blue color, which is so beautiful. The material is so similar, but Chanel in Singapore doesn't have my size. I also saw this beautiful skirt in the same fabric. I will try it on. I'm not sure if it's gonna look good. This one is one size bigger than my size, but I'll still try it on and show you how it looks. Let me show you the style code for this one in case you guys are interested. Here is the style code, and that's how it looks on me. Next up is another jacket, and I tried this one in one of my videos. However, it was 3 sizes bigger than my size, and I finally have it in a size 34. I love the buttons of this one. They are so shiny and beautiful, and that's how it looks on me. I like it quite a lot. However, I feel like this color doesn't really suit me. I need lighter or brighter colors for a fresher look, but it's not too bad. And I have to say that this one is a lot thicker than the pink jacket that I bought. It's a lot warmer. It's great for Europe, but it might be a little bit too warm for Singapore. Look at the buttons, how beautiful they are, just so gorgeous. These jackets are a bit too loose, so it's better to go size down or stick to your true size. And here's another design. I seen it before, but I never had a chance to try it on. Maybe I should unbutton it. I don't like this look. It doesn't look so nice. I prefer it this way. The sleeves are so long again. They have to be altered. And the buttons, very beautiful. I love this color. I feel like this color combination suits me more. It's a little bit brighter. What do you guys think? I love the design of this one. I think it's very timeless and it's so classic. and it will look great with anything. Literally just put on jeans, high heels, t-shirt, and you're good to go. I love the fact that the material of this one is so much lighter in comparison to the other jacket that I showed to you before. It's so much easier to wear this one in Singapore, that's for sure. Which style of the jackets do you guys prefer? The previous one or this classic design? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Some of you guys have previously sent to me a picture of this jacket and the blue one, and I saw both of them in the store. I will try on the blue one because the fabric is really beautiful, and I will show to you guys how it looks on me. I like that it's very shiny and it looks pretty special. All the details are so beautiful, and I hope it's gonna suit me. So here it is. Okay, it looked better on the hanger, I have to say. This one is in a size 34 and it looks absolutely massive. The sleeves are very long and it just doesn't look that nice, but I do like the buttons. All the details are so amazing and it looks so much better in the real life. The fabric is so shiny, and I think that this color combination is very wearable. I just wish it looked better on me. I think this style of jackets doesn't really suit me. I prefer the previous one or the one from before. It's quite interesting that the store actually has so many designs, because previously I didn't see many sizes and many designs. And this jacket looks quite nice. I also wanted to try on this, I don't know what is it, jacket, coat, dress, but I feel like the other one that I got is better. I saw this sweater, which is quite cute. This is actually the behind and this is the front, and I thought it's all the way around. It's a bit too thick for Singapore, but the color combination is very beautiful. And also this sweater, it's so cute. My friend absolutely loves it. I like the way it looks as well, and she has a bag in this color combination from the Cruise 19 collection. She has a vanity case in this color and it's so cute. It would look amazing together. I will show to you guys the style code of this one. Here it is, in case you want to check it out in your local store. And by the way guys, you often ask me what's my height. I'm actually 5.7 feet, and I actually tried on the size 36 and I normally wear size 34. I think the size 36 looks okay as well. There were a lot of clothes from the pre-spring collection and from the spring-summer. So if you guys are on hunt for some of these items, they're still available in the store. And I also saw this wallet on chain, and I think the shade is similar to my jacket. It's a bit darker, I think. This is how it looks. It's so cute, I like it a lot. And by the way, you guys often ask me about the color of my nail polish. I decided to show to you guys. This is the one that I often use. I really love the texture of this one, and of course I use another one, the top layer, and it's very helpful. It helps my nails to not chip very fast. I also saw this beautiful bag. Then again, it's in lambskin, but I think the color is really gorgeous. It's in a size small. It's so pretty. What do you guys think about it? I just wish that Chanel had it in caviar, but it's very pretty. I bet it would look even nicer at the bright light, because the light in Chanel is always a lot darker. And I actually find that the bags usually look a lot better outside at the daylight than in the store. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, please feel free to check out my Chanel playlist. I have posted quite a few videos, unboxings, reviews about Chanel bags. I also shared some tips. I hope that you will find these videos useful. Please consider subscribing to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.